इस वीडियो में हम पाकिस्तान स्टडीज के मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस कवर करेंगे। पहला क्वेश्चन है, When was separate electorate demanded for the first time by the Muslims in British India? आंसर है, during Shimla deputation, Muslims demanded separate electorate for the first time. Next है, on which occasion Quaid-e-Azam announced parting of ways with Congress? Answer है, Quaid-e-Azam announced parting ways with Congress on the occasion of Nehru Report in 1920. Next है, who is the author of the book The Charismatic Leader, Quaid-e-Azam, Muhammad Ali Jinnah and Creation of Pakistan? Sikandar Hayat was the author of the book. Next है, who was Dr Fazal Ur Rahman? Dr Fazal Ur Rahman was a religious scholar. Next है, which of the Indian plans provide a three-tiered constitutional structure to address the Indian problem before 1947? Answer है, the plan of cabinet mission provided a three-tiered constitutional structure to address the Indian problem before 1947. Next है, which country was behind the idea of SAARC? Bangladesh was behind the idea of SAARC. Next है, which mountain range separates Afghanistan from Pakistan? The Hindu Kush mountain range separates Afghanistan from Pakistan. What is the name of economist who developed the current Human Development Index? Dr. Mehboob ul Haq developed the current Human Development Index. Next है, when the Pakistan Resolution was formally passed. Pakistan Resolution was passed in 1940. Next है, Pakistan Resolution was presented by whom? Pakistan Resolution was presented by A.K. Fazlul Haq. Next है, who constructed Grand Trunk Road? Sher Shah Suri constructed Grand Trunk Road. Next है, when Pakistan became member of UN General Assembly. Pakistan became member of UN General Assembly on September 30, 1947. Next है, when was Swat state merged into Pakistan? Swat state merged into Pakistan on July 28, 1969. Next है, when Bengal was partitioned. Bengal was partitioned on October 16, 1905. Last one है, which agreement was signed between India and Pakistan after 1971 war? Shimla Agreement was signed between India and Pakistan after 1971 war.